Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm taking you to Meerendal Wine Estate in Durbanville. It's one of the oldest wine farms here, and I'm going to show you the hiking trails, the vineyards, and of course, the wine tasting. Let's go. So the hike here is really beautiful. The trails are well marked and safe, which makes it perfect even if you're new to hiking. I personally chose the 7 kilometers, which was marked in red, and there is 5 kilometers that was in green, and then there's 9 kilometers that was in black. Get to see this open landscapes, the mountain views, and lots of fresh air. I just love how peaceful it feels right here. It's just you and nature. And along the way, you can see the vineyards stretching across the hills, which is such a cool backdrop for photos. After the hike, I got to do some wine tasting. The wines here are smooth and really flavorful. There are actually other restaurants that are just around the area, and the wine tasting was starting at about 10 a.m. Meerendal has a rich history. The vineyards has been there for decades, and the cellar is where all the magic happens. You can see how they manage the grapes, the winemaking process, and even the tasting notes for each wine. I thought it was really interesting to see how much care goes into every single bottle. So just after the wine tasting, I had mimosa and some English breakfast. So here I chose the 3 reds and 3 whites. So I think the reds, there was Merlot, there was Pinotage, and then there was Shiraz. And then the whites, there was Sauvignon Blanc and Pinotage Rosé, and I don't remember the other one. So you can taste the difference between their whites, reds, and even the rosé. It's so relaxed and elegant. So it's the perfect way to wind down after walking around the estate. Overall, I had such a great day at Meerendal. The hike, the vineyards, and the wine tasting. There's a kids section, so you can definitely bring your kids along too. It's definitely a spot I would recommend if you're visiting Durbanville. So guys, if you enjoyed coming along with me, don't forget to like, subscribe for more adventures right here in Cape Town. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.